Good morning from the NASDAQ market site in Times Square, where we're beginning to count down the hours until Sunday's game. For the street, I'm John Marino with your global markets report on Thursday, January 30th. This hour, U.S. futures are pointed higher despite some woes on international markets. We're going to see Time Warner Cable, ExxonMobil, and Viacom each report earnings before the bell today. And getting a closer look at international stocks when you take a look right now at our global markets board. In midday trading, the FTSE is down about 0.3 of a point. The DAX off midday 0.3 of a point. The CAC 40 off 0.2 of a point, and the Nikkei is down almost 2.5 points at the end of its trading day. Back in the NASDAQ wall right now, Facebook books big bucks, and shares are going up into the open this morning. The company reported a beat on earnings as well as revenue, with 31 cents a share and $7.87 billion, marking yet another solid quarter for Mark Zuckerberg. Mobile ad revenue was 50% of total ad revenue, giving investors yet another reason to breathe a sigh of relief after a rocky start for the social network on public markets. With the stock past $60 a share, Facebook is looking to break through all-time highs this morning, up almost 15 points going into the open. And coming out with earnings this morning is Under Armour, led by a Terp from the University of Maryland. The numbers coming out just before the bell. We're going to see expectations of 53 cents for Under Armour. The company has had a very solid run over the last 12 months, gaining 76% on public markets. And closing it out with an action alert pick from Jim Cramer. He's had his eye on LAM Research after the company's earnings report. Jim's got to be pleased. He's long on the stock. Shares are up more than 2 points going into the open today as the company boosts its guidance. Top and bottom line beat, as well as growth in earnings, is good news for Jim. Obviously, also the stockholders. Shares are up more than 22% in the last 12 months. And that's a wrap for us today. Be sure to keep an eye on thestreet.com all day for breaking news on a social network. Earnings this afternoon from Chipotle as well as Amazon at the NASDAQ market site. I'm John Marino. Have a great day.